I'm going to show you how I make my lead ties. Here's one I just made to prove that the concept works, to myself, because I'd never done it before. I had just conceived it in my head. So I've got a bit of elastic. This bit is white because this lead that I'm going to tie up is white. So I'm using white elastic. I just used black for that because it looks a bit tidier. Basically, I have cut this to 7 inches, like so. Or if you're in the UK and you're thinking in centimetres, you'll see that that's about 18 centimetres. And it's a very, very, very quick thing to do. Just literally get it so it's sort of, it's like in half, like that, see? Tie a knot at the base, where the lead bit is. And then, just make sure you've got a bit of room to work with at the other end. Ooh, that's trying to fly off. Just as close to the end as you can, but still have a bit of elastic to work with. Tie a double knot there. And then just try and get it nice and tight so it doesn't slip, you know. So there we are, there's the thing hanging off like that. Can you see we've got a loop? Right, so now we want to wrap this around the hand. Just have that sort of in the middle of your palm kind of thing. It's a bit easier that way. You'll see why in a minute. So wrap that round like that. Wait, get down. And then put it round, and then round one more time. And there we are. So you can put that in your bag or your pocket or whatever, or your suitcase, and it's not going to get all tangled up with everything else. Thank you for watching!